let's see what we got today. As a parent, single dad, what happened with my son today. Picked him up from his mother. He will be with me for the rest of this week. First thing today, I picked him up a little bit earlier than usual. Took him to the dentist. Looks like he had some sort of dental or teeth erupting around his molars area, but the dentist did not have any issues, so he's okay. He was very spunky and happy when we were at the dentist. And then after the dentist appointment, we came back here. I made his lunch. We played together a little bit, and then I took him to his ABA program. He was a funny guy over there. On the way there, he kept on smiling and making random noises to indicate he's happy. If you spend some time with him, you would know the kind of noises that he makes when he's happy. So every time again when he's happy, I'm happy too. Dropped him off. His primary person, the counselor who worked with him, picked him up. The boy waved goodbye to me without any reservation at all. It's almost like he's a big boy now. He's gonna go away and then come back and pick him up later. So there was no issues, no crying. So he's getting a lot better. And then came back. When I picked him up, his teacher said he had a really good day. Ate all his food beside the one main item that I got for him, which was the croissant from Starbucks with the ham and Swiss cheese there. He didn't touch it at all. Instead, he had the other items that I packed for him, which was half of a banana, a yogurt drink, the cashew nuts, and also mango and grape. He ate all that, and on top of that, he requested about half a cup of goldfish cheddar flavored. Afterward, we went to my mom's house. We played there for about an hour or two somewhat. He was really happy. Ate some blueberries and then some cereals without milk. And then afterward, when we were on our way back, he really tried to make her come with us. He was making sure she got in the car with him, but in the end, she did not come along with us. He was upset for about 15 seconds, but then able to understand that she wasn't coming along with us. So he was fine with that. Got home, we played some more. He climbed on the trees. I cooked him dinners, had some noodles and chicken, and he ate that. He got a bath, which that would be the second time today. So the first time when I picked him up after the dental appointment, he jumped in the bath because after going to the bathroom, we thought it was funny to take all his clothes and start playing in the bathtub. And then in the evening, after I picked him up or brought him back home from my mom, we played, took another bath, and then ate his dinner. He's tired now. He's asleep, which is good, because next week's to school. I'm gonna start to have him go to bed earlier. So that's the life. And now that he's gone to bed already, I got a little bit of time to myself. I'm gonna rearrange his things, organize his clothes, clean things up,